Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna walk through setting up test mode on your site so you can go and see the entire transaction process, all the way from checking out to email to everything in between. You could get a full feel for it and then show you kind of where you could make some edits and adjustments as well. I'm not gonna walk through the edits and adjustments in detail, but I'll show you where everything lives so you get a feel for if you run into a problem or you wanna change something, how you do it. Cool, so we are here on my demo website, and the first thing we want to take a look at here is we are gonna go to commerce, and then we are gonna go to payments. Now this is kind of way too simple, but you go to test mode here and you turn it on. And just like that, you hit save and you are now in test mode. So nobody on your site, any user on your site at this moment, they cannot do a transaction. So it's ideal that you test this before you launch, or you test it at a really odd time where people probably aren't trying to make a purchase on your site. Okay, so once that's done, we'll go back into our site, and I'm just gonna click here on our shop page. And then in here, I am gonna check out this first item here. So I'm in here, I'm shopping, I'm looking at some products. I'm gonna add three of these to the cart. Done. Wait, I gotta do that slower. I'll just do it like that. 3, hit add to cart. You'll watch 3 go into the cart here. Perfect, done, complete. I'll click on the cart. Now I'm like logged into my site. This is a really funny process, but I could check out some more. I can get 2, I can go to 4, whatever I want. So then there's a checkout page. Then when you click here, it takes you to the actual place they add their credit card information. As you can see here at the top, it says trial account. And if it wasn't a trial account, if I had started paying for it, it would say test mode because this is a test process. So I'm gonna come in here, just add an email, hit continue, and then go through the process. So here it's asking me for shipping information. So I'm just gonna put some generic information inside. Perfect, don't even know where this is. That is great. Cool, good to go. Oh, so it looks like I don't have any shipping options selected. So I'm actually gonna go back and set that up really quick and then come right back. Okay, great, I'm back. So what I set up was a pickup option. I did not do a shipping option. You could set that up. And at the end of the video, I'll show you exactly where you can do that. But you set that up, then you hit continue. And then as you can see here, put in a fake credit card. So that's how you know it's in test mode. It's asking for billing address. Again, it's a little funny, but you just do that. And then you add in an address and it'll be good to go. Do I need a phone number? Nope, I'm good. So now you can see here, I can click on purchase. So just like that, purchase, completing your order. You're seeing the full checkout process and really big font. It just logged me back in. There we go. Order confirmed. So order number 001, your order is this, confirm. An email has been sent. So let me show you that email. Boom, just like that, you can see we have our first order. So it says Anchor Growth order confirmed number 1. Order number 1 confirmed. Your order from is confirmed. It shows you all the details here. This is a great breakdown. It's really clear. It's a nice email. And this is what comes by default. So boom, just like that, you have set it up. You got your orders going out. Wonderful. Now, let me go back into commerce and let me show you a few things. So the first thing I want to show you is this is where you set up shipping. So everything happens under the commerce tab. Down here, you set up shipping. You have shipping options, pickup options. You go in there and make any adjustments you want. Then from there, customer notifications. Now, this is kind of a lot. So if you're just starting out, don't overwhelm yourself. And don't try to overly customize it, especially if you're starting out. But that email you just saw, this email here got pulled from one of these emails. So here are global email styles, business settings to make sure all the business settings are proper and right, and then all the different kinds of emails they can get. So if it's a gift card, the email looks a little different. General orders, things like that. What I recommend is you could come in here, change the global styles to fit what you like, but then you could go to general orders, for example, any of these, and then go into edit email. And what I would do is I would play with just small things like this. I would add in an emoji. Let's go. Where's the rocket? Perfect. Add in the rocket and a space. Good to go. Email. Here's the title of the email. So you can see if I zoom in, the dots underneath show that it's pulling the site title, and this is the order number. So you could put something like this. You could play with it. It's really easy to set up, and then all emails will go out like that. You can see here, you don't have control of this section. You really can't change any of this. This is just basic information that they're always going to show. But here you can control what comes up at the top, and you could add a custom message here. Now, this is really cool. Check this out. So right here, this optional custom message, let's zoom into this. So if it's a physical product, you could say this. If it's digital, you could say that. If it's a service, you could say that. And if it's a gift card, you could say that. This is a really cool feature that I'm actually really happy Squarespace has done, because it's made it really easy for you. If it's a digital product, hey, you will receive your digital download in the next 24 or 48 business hours. If it's a service, hey, we will contact you with next steps in the next 24 to 48 hours. Physical product, hey, our team is busy. They're working at getting your product, your order shipped and to you, whatever that is. So you have full control of that. I'm going to hit save and then go back. Cool. Good to go. And then let's just take a look for a moment, because we're here. Cancel global email styles. I think the big changes you can make here are going to be, I think, font, but I could be wrong. So you could change the background color. I think this is probably worth it. The email background, boom, all white if you like. Content background, you could put a bit of a color into it if you want. Again, I'm like an all white type of person. So, oops, I just got rid of that. Boom, line color. If you want to make this a little bit darker, you can. Easy, simple. Font pack, book sans, great. You could just pick your fonts. You could pick some other colors here. It's really easy to set up the header and customize that. If you want your logo to show up, you can do that. Or just have text, whatever that is. Really easy to customize this. And once you do it once, it's for all your emails, which is beautiful. It's so smart. It's really well designed. Finally, once you're done and you've gone through this whole process, you could check out other things in here. I'd probably click on every single one of these if you're about to launch a commerce store and just get a feel for what it is. But once you're ready to go live again, go back into payments, go to test mode, turn it off, and you are good to go. You could start accepting orders again, and now you have a live site. Friends, if you got value from today's video, hit that like button. When you hit the like button, it tells me that you got value from today's content. It tells the YouTube algorithm some fancy, important, critical information, but it tells me you got value from today's content. Next, if you want more resources for your site on Squarespace, anything from SEO to blogging, check out the links below. We have so many resources on our website, and we're publishing new resources each and every month. So we have plugins, we have downloadables, we have free downloadables, we have blog posts, we have a ton of content, we have a ton of services, a ton of great things for you. Finally, if you want more content just like this, consider subscribing. We publish 3 new videos a week. My mind is blown that we're publishing 3 videos a week. It is a lot of content, but we're doing it for you. So 3 videos a week. If you want more, consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.